Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Transformation. Today, we are going to talk about what is a SWOT, and what is SWOT analysis. In this video you're going to learn about strategic analysis, where we will see what are internal and external factors, and how to do a SWOT analysis on yourself personally, where you can check out your strengths and weakness. And finally we will see SWOT analysis example like Mcdonald's SWOT. Before moving on, just a little reminder to follow us on social media handles like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, and please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation, to know all about digital lean leadership and supply chain. So let's get started. Let's see how to do a SWOT. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis can be used to build organizational or personal strategy. Strengths: we build on our strengths. These are attributes of person, or team or company that give it an advantage over others. Weakness: these are the characteristics of person or company that are harmful in achieving the objective. So try to convert your weakness into your strength. Opportunities: which we invest or capitalize in. These are external conditions that are helpful in achieving the objective. Threats: which we monitor. These are external conditions that could cause trouble for the business or project. But how to work on this? As you can see, this is 2x2 matrix. Internal factors are viewed as strength or weakness, and external factors are viewed as opportunities and threats. Let's start with strengths. Strength is always internal and positive. These are things that are within your control. Like, what assets do you have in your team, such as knowledge, skills and network? What physical assets do you have, like equipments, technology, cash, patents? So try to build on positive and counteract the negative with positive attributes. Next, weaknesses are internal and negative factors that detract from your strength. So you have to convert your weakness into strength by looking at what processes need improvements, what assets your company needs. Opportunities are always external and positive, which contribute to your success. These are hard to manage, but do not ignore. Opportunities can be like, are there any trends that will encourage people to buy more of what you are selling? Are there upcoming changes to regulations that might impact your company positively? Threats are again external, and we should seek how to convert our threat into opportunities. Threats can be like, are the market trends that could become threat? Here is an example of personal SWOT analysis. Find your strengths. What are you good at? What are your talents, achievements and skills that can help you, let's say, to get any good job? Next, find your weaknesses, like what can you improve? What skills are missing that is becoming an obstacle for you? Try to convert it into strength. Next, look for opportunities, like with those strengths. What can I do which I'm not doing already? For example, doing higher education or certified course. Next, find threat: what is stopping you to becoming the best version of you? Like peer pressure or bad habits, and try to convert your threat into opportunities. To help you get a better sense of what SWOT example actually look like in businesses, we are going to look at McDonald's SWOT analysis. So we can see strength of McDonald's are: it advertises successfully, it collaborate with Coke, it supports clean environment, and provide play space for kids. It gives professional training to employees. Competitive price. Its weaknesses are: weak product development, it doesn't offer much variation in seasonal product. Quality concerns due to franchise operation. Opportunities for McDonald's are growing dining out market. And threats are like, customers are now more health conscious. Threat from local competitors in different countries and global economic recession. So McDonald will capitalize on strengths and take advantage of opportunities that arise from their operating environment. It was all about SWOT analysis. Please give your feedback in the comments section below. To learn more about transformation, digitalization, Lean Six Sigma, supply chain, leadership, please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation, and press the bell icon right next to it. Also, Give us a thumbs up if you like our video. And follow us on other social media handles like Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Till then, be safe and do take care of yourself.